And we're appreciating the nice weather that we have right now because it's not going to stick around, right?
It's not. No, we had the nice stretch last week, but then we were looking ahead and saying how the pattern's going to change. We get toward the start of April. Well, here we are.
Here we go.
And we're starting to see this. And next week, seeing some, what could be some strong atmospheric river scenarios in California.
April showers.
So yeah, especially into that time frame. So right now we have a pretty awesome satellite picture to show you across the eastern Pacific, across the north. And what you're seeing is some of the clouds moving in. This is with a front that's just off the coastline that will provide us with some increased rain chances tomorrow, and those clouds on the increase as well. But as we zoom out and head to the north, look at that swirl here, that kind of clockwise circulation, strong ocean storm off the Pacific Northwest. And what you don't see very often is this. It's a severe thunderstorm watch box. How about that? From Seattle down I-5, from Portland into parts of Oregon for large hail and the potential for thunderstorms to produce tornadoes. So we're seeing that activity to the north and a lot of energy there, but at least we're a little bit further south to get into some of that. Now, that said, we are seeing some stronger winds out ahead of that front that's led to the breezy day across our region today and a big drop in temperatures compared to our record that we set yesterday. Yesterday's record, Sacramento, 88 degrees. What a difference a day makes with this setup. Right now, those wind speeds are looking at coming generally out of the west direction across a good portion of the Delta area and then down across the foothills into the Sierra. We are seeing those winds about 15 to 25 miles per hour for gusts on average. But we've had instances of those higher wind gusts today. Vacaville, Fairfield in excess of 40 miles per hour. Those winds will start to subside as we get toward this evening. But the temperature drop, we're all feeling it now, down by about 20 degrees compared to just 24 hours ago, which means we're sitting into the 60s. Now, there are a couple of 70-degree spots like Stockton and Modesto, but that's all changing even more tomorrow as the next storm system provides rain and snow chances across the area. Winter weather advisories going into effect tomorrow and Friday above 5,500 feet for the Sierra. We are looking at a few inches of snowfall as a result of that. Not a washout for the valley. We'll see scattered showers for the most part, fairly light, but a 10 to a quarter inch of rainfall, so we will be dodging those through the course of the day. And then the snow across the Sierra will be on and off as well, Thursday into Friday. And then we get a break with the active weather by Saturday with increasing sunshine. But it's going to be a pretty steady week of weather coming up. And at this point, we'll see a lot of fast-moving storm systems that provide us with rain chances essentially every single day. We'll have another round on Sunday, another round of showers on Monday, even into Tuesday. But next Wednesday, we're already highlighting this at this point as a first alert action day as we start to draw in a lot of moisture, and that will likely lead to widespread rain and very high snow levels in the Sierra, something to keep on your radar a week out. Tony?
Remember the 80s, Marley?
Oh,
remember it was just a mere moment ago.
Seems like, yeah, it seems like a long time.
Yeah, no doubt. All right, Nick, thanks.